Good morning! Best family on YouTube. Man, what you gotta say to the best family on YouTube, man? Man, we about to go hit the gym.
Oh my god, I was so skinny, man.
Oh my god, I was so skinny, man. Well, how about you get your butt in the gym?
I ain't never gonna be that skinny ever. Look at this memory, dog. So dang skinny, man. It was about 5 years ago.
That was about 2 months ago.
That was 5 years ago.
And then he blew up. You see that? Y'all see this vlog, girl? Look at that.
I was still in high school.
Oh boy, look like he pregnant, boy. Look at that.
Dog,
Look at
don't
that.
touch me, boy.
Look at he pregnant.
5 years ago.
I told this dude, let's hit the gym. Any dude still in the bed. You feel me? That ain't cool. You feel me? You feel me? About to put my Beats headphones on. Man, I was trying to edit this vlog. And this boy only on 15%. I mean, upload this vlog. My bad. My bad. I was trying to upload it though. And that boy only on 15 or 16% all night. All night it was uploaded to YouTube. That's crazy, man. That's real crazy. I'm thinking Canada got some fast Wi-Fi, you know what I'm saying? But they don't. I'm walking towards the gym and I see my mom in the pool area. They go to the gym area right here. And my mom was just in the pool chilling. What's going on? Is my little sister in the pool? I don't know. Let's find out. Nana, what you doing? Huh? So my little sister in the pool, I'm about to go hit the gym. You feel me, vlog world? No. Just finished my workout. Tired as heck. And I left my phone in the gym. I got music playing on Bluetooth. Alright, vlog world, we just got out the shower ready for church. You don't know what the thing said already.
What's my birth certificate?
Look at that day.
Oh, there you go.
Yo boy, what y'all do?
What?
Hey, yo!
What?
I'm over uploading the vlog. I thought he messed it up. What's wrong with people, man? With the bus down there, ready to take us to the church. You already know.
You got everything?
Doing this for the vlog. We just got to the church.
Right.
Everybody getting off the bus. You ain't gonna say what's up to the vlog? Vlog girl, so deep.
You know I go to hour and a half to church. We done. Bam, bam.
Bam, bam, what? What's wrong with this guy?
Oh, no, that's not.
What's wrong with this guy?
Amen. Are you ready to worship the Lord? God said, arise, seek your face, be enthroned on our prayer.
Big time. And I love all of y'all. And ain't nothing you can do about it. First lady, I love her to wear shit. I love her. And I know you're the real wife. I do. So. Amen. I'm so glad I didn't wear my wig this morning because it would have been off on the floor. But that's all right. Because if it fell on the floor, I still gonna praise God anyhow. Amen.
Church just got over. It was live. One of my friends here, Ruth Ann, she's here. There she go right here. You know what I'm saying? Ruth Ann in the building. You ain't gonna sing for my YouTube? She gonna hit a note for y'all, just wait. Give me a favorite song on blah 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 blah. We doing it for the vlog. She about to sing for you. Go ahead, go ahead. Hit up a song. So when you get famous, everybody gonna know you because you sung on my vlog first.
I was singing the national anthem yesterday.
What's going on my vlog? This is the one and only Ethan. What's your stage name? True.
Yeah, true.
Cause who you true to?
Yeah, true.
Alright, go ahead, hit up a song for the people. Go ahead.
Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Oh God, sing with me how great is our God, and oh see how great is our God.
Woo! Alright, so we just not too long ago got out of church.
This is Woody.
Pretty good service,
just
ain't good. Now we on our way
I'm just gonna
back.
over and say hi real quick, okay? This is great. I'll be right back.
Sure.
Okay, hold on.
Sounds good. And it's Gwyneth, not Gwenny. So rude.
Vlog world, we just got back to the US of A. You know, everybody's behind me, packing up their stuff for the day. You know, about to go home. I'm probably about to head downtown real quick. You know what I'm saying? My mom. Yeah. Desire.
Oh, hi guys.
Hi guys. Who you talking to now? Vlog world, so I just got home. Just put all the bags in the house. My little sister out here playing with my skateboard. Say what's up, Nana.
Hi, what's up, double?
Man, we just got to the bowling alley. You know what I'm saying? Alante. My little boo right here.
If you don't
Fuck out that camera, my youth, that nigga just pushed me, B. Alante, you lucky I got this camera. You ain't gonna say it? Yeah, he's going on my vlog, girl. Man, you ain't gonna give him a 360? I don't like that. Alright guys, I just got in. It's like 2 o'clock in the morning. Just dropped Alante off and stuff. Didn't really do much after the bowling, but it was a pretty, pretty decent day. Church earlier was amazing, you know what I'm saying? I don't really know what else to say. I'm about to go to sleep and work in the AM. Back to my life I go. But they don't know me, see the wildlife is it. Alright.